Hello guys, hope you're doing well. I'm Said and welcome back. In this video, we'll solve two logarithmic problems step by step using the basic rules of logarithms. Let's get started. Log base 8 of x whole squared minus 9 times log base 8 of the cube root of x equals 4. First, simplify the equation. Notice that the cube root of x equals x to the power of 1 over 3. And according to the power rule of logarithms, we can move the exponent to the front. So 9 times log base 8 of x to the power of 1 over 3 equals 9 times 1 over 3 log base 8 of x. So we have 9 times 1 over 3 is 3 log base 8 of x. So the equation becomes log base 8 of x whole squared minus 3 log base 8 of x minus 4 equals 0. Let log base 8 of x is u. So the equation turns into a quadratic, means u squared minus 3u minus 4 equals 0. So factoring the quadratic, we have u minus 4 times u plus 1 equals 0. So u is 4 or u is negative 1. So when u is 4 and we know that u is log base 8 of x equals 4, so x equals 8 to the power of 4, right? And if u is negative 1, so log base 8 of x equals negative 1. So x is 8 to the power of negative 1 or 1 over 8. Number 2, if 2 times log base 4 of x minus log base 4 of x plus 4 equals 1/2, so find the value of log base x of 2. First, move the coefficient 2 to the exponent. So we have log base 4 x squared minus log base 4 of x plus 4 equals 1/2. Now using the quotient rule means log base 4 of x squared over x plus 4 equals 1/2. So we have x squared over x plus 4 equals 4 to the power of 1/2, means the square root of 4 or 2, right? So x squared equals 2 times x plus 4, or x squared equals 2x plus 4. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. Sorry, 2x plus 8. So here is 8, right? So we have x minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. So x is 4 or x is negative 2. Since the input of logarithm x, look at this, x must be positive, we choose x equals 4. Now log base x of 2 we need to calculate. So we have log base x of 2 equals log base 4 of 2, or log base 2 squared of 2. So we have 1 over 2 log base 2 of 2. So we have 1/2.